Hey, your stinky slinky's showing.
Excuse me?
Your sewer hose, silly.
Think it's time we learn some RV slang. Let me interpret.
I know it's coming off 75. The toad was chucking, the Batwing about flew out that way, and my hula skirt blew up.
On my drive in on Interstate 75, our tow vehicle began swaying back and forth. Our TV antenna almost detached, and the brush-like flap hanging down from the rear of the RV swayed in the wind.
Yeah, some newbie in a pusher walked by earlier with his blue boy and made a comment about my stinky slinky. Can you believe that?
Someone new to the RV world driving a rear motor diesel rig walked by with a portable waste tank and commented on my flexible sewer hose.
So our part-time neighbors, they got in their fiver and Wallydocked on their way back to their sticks and bricks.
Our neighbors, who RV part-time in a fifth-wheel trailer, camped in a Walmart parking lot on their return trip to their home. There's so much lingo in the RV world and plenty more to learn. Please share yours in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe and share this video with anybody who's new or even experienced in the RV world. We'll see you next time.
Okay. Hey, your stinky slinky. Yeah, our neighbors. My toad was chucking, the Batwing almost flew right off. What was the other part?